Okay, it's a lot quieter than last time. The time now is 15:50. It is Wednesday the 12th of October 16th for 15:50 to 70 from Lincoln Central through to Leicester. This is water damaged. Currently it's only that one over there, but the house working. But it is a lot quieter than previously. I remember last time it was a bit louder than that. So either the alarms are just dying out over time, or they're keeping up the maintenance work. I'm going option 1. Okay, they just left Swinderby. All far 6410. To Leicester.
More than one train may be approaching.
Okay, it's now 15:57. This is 15:59. 2 Tango 50 from Lincoln Central to Newark Northgate. Old sign here from July, not yet been collected, and a random work cone as well. There's some hubs behind it. You're the only one that currently works, which is good.
Warning, more than one train may be approaching. Warning, more than one train may be approaching.
Yeah, that one's buzzing. Euro 2006. Okay, on the Newark train.
Warning, more than one train may be approaching. Warning, more than one train may be approaching. Warning, more than one train may be approaching. Warning, more than one train may be approaching.
Alpha 3376. Okay, this could be a double. If so, it's 6 Mike 81 and Tillerman 73. 6 Mike 81's Birmingham Ratcliffe, Tillerman 73 is Leicester to Lincoln. First is Leicester with the freight. So let's see how this broken thing can cope with 2 trains. Not very well is my assumption. Okay, this side. $7.99. To Lincoln Central. That's your double stay, is it?
More than one train may be approaching.
Okay, you're broken. They started off well and then completely decided to chuck it over the fence. So your double stay is the exact same as you would be if you was to stop. I think I prefer the other crossings now. Let's be honest. Okay, and Great British Rail Freight. 770. Ratcliffe Power Station. I've seen a better performance with the crossings in Collingham. You're hearing the alarm by the host. The time now is 16:14. This will be 16:13, 6 Mike 100 Amber Kingsbury, which will be up from Swinderby in a couple of minutes. Yes, they're pointing there. But a lot of work needs to be done here to sort the problems out that we've got. Hope she doesn't mind me saying this. We've got a resident by here who can't sleep. And of course this crossing's no help, so if the broken alarm was on the side of the house, that'll be alright. But currently it isn't, and just muting down one isn't enough. We need to mute down the correct one if we're going to do anything for the poor woman. So we think we've got things bad enough at night with fireworks. That's the same problem every night, but without fireworks. That's what we're going to do. And actually sort out this mess that is Scarle Crossing. Because it is actually a whole bloody mess. Oh, where you are. Right the way down at Swinderby. Right the way down. I can even just see that you're a 66. The most pathetic part of this place is, for a start, the 2 train warning is this. Which basically has no relevance whatsoever. At all. That's acceptable, but the crossing isn't. Let's sort out the crossing for goodness sake. I'd have turned these down so it's like one of those inaudible residential crossings that we've got elsewhere. Or for goodness sake, try and fit in 2 bloody huge barriers just to shut the thing up. Or anything that will sort it out. Because it's a bloody mess. Down for X amount of minutes for 1 train, and it's a bloody AHB for Christ's sake. Most of them don't even stop at Swinderby or Collingham. Specifically Swinderby. Most trains don't even stop there. There's no need for the AHB to be down so long. Oh well. So the problems are sorted soon and the woman can get a bloody good night's sleep. For a start, all trains have to slow down on the approach to Swinderby this way anyway. Again, I don't get why. 170. Right, overview time here. The barrier's just glitched on the way up. Of course, the light's blinked a couple of times. Firstly, I don't really like what we've got here. We're having to turn alarms away to keep things quiet, which isn't good enough. We've got an AHB where we could easily install an AOCL or some type of decent bloody organised crossing. This one's a mess. It doesn't shut up. What can we do? Fabe's train signing out of South Scarle crossing. Let's get this mess sorted.